Hey yo, what's up guys? Man, welcome back to another video. And today basically just want to show you guys what I'm actually carrying in my backpack to travel my beautiful country Kenya. So I'll just be showing you guys. This is basically just a short video, but I just want to let you know what's inside this big backpack. And yeah, so let's dive into it and see what I carry inside my bag. Yo, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe so that you can actually support me. What I'm actually carrying around my backpacking trip around Kenya are my 4x4 Converse white shoes, and I have my raincoat jacket that I actually walk around with, and I have my my water bottle that I never leave. And let me just show you guys. First, I have some food stuff here. There's the neck pillow. There's the water bottle. So let me open these. This is a raincoat that a friend of mine from Australia gave me. Lucas, man, thank you so much. This place is hot as wow. My friend from Australia left with this, and it's actually coming in handy when I go to places where there's rain. So it's a big one, it can fit my backpack. And another thing that I'm actually carrying in my backpack is let's see, I'm carrying a torch. This is my torch. It has 1, 2, 3. That's another thing that I'm actually carrying. And then this GoPro accessories. There's the floater, and then let me see. Of course, I have to carry my face masks every single year that I actually go to. So yeah, so let's open here. There's this, my Aremis, no. There's the Vaseline. I have an inhaler because I'm asthmatic. I have Colgate, I have a bandage, I have Grabacin, I have soap, I have mosquito repellent. All of them are actually in here. Then I have a number of clothes. There's this. This is what we call I get in water with it, so I'll be wearing that. I have a trouser, the only trouser I have. And then I have another shirt. So let me just put them here. It's another shirt. I have a t-shirt, still wet. I have a Marvin. It's actually coming in handy when I go to places where there's it's cold. I have a vest, and of course the chargers and everything. My favorite Brown Orchard, and I also have some cooking stuffs here. I also have another shot. You can count them. Another shot, not short for short, for short, but for short. Another shot. This stretcher. They'll actually come in handy when I travel to very, very cold place. A t-shirt, my plate. Of course, I can't miss this, the Mwiko, and this for for cooking. Then my favorite cup. I have the long socks, short socks, some modem cables, of course a big spoon. I also carry an HDMI mic, an HDMI cable. I also carried this. Let me show you. Carried this. This is the gas can that I use for backpacking, and I also have some cooking, cooking stuff. I'm actually carrying a whole house on my back, so it has the small sufuria, the big sufuria. It has the gas thing. You just remove, plug it here, and then yeah. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is the first time you're actually coming here. Then this is something that I use to strap food so that it doesn't spill on my bag. Of course I carried a knife. This is the knife I actually carried, so I'm all set. Then not forgetting, I actually carried laptop, and I also had the laptop charges there. And then I have my sleeping bag. So let me just do this. Man, this place is so hot, very hot. And then this is my sleeping bag. Yeah, and actually carried my neck pillow too. I have it somewhere here. Let me see. Yeah, the neck pillow. I think I'd already shown you guys. There's the sleeping bag. It is actually covered like a whole half of my back. I use it. It's a very big sleeping bag. I bought it at the Komba. They bought the case in it's called what? In Two Rivers Mall. So yeah, if you don't know where I actually got these things, my cooking gear, the link is just down there. This is just a whole new experience that I'm actually experiencing, because man, yeah. So that's it for today guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because when you do that, it's actually going to help me a lot. And I'm still in Diani Backpackers, but it's hot, really hot. And tomorrow I'll be going to my next county, which is Mombasa County. So basically that's all I actually carry in my backpack. And that's it guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time guys, bye bye, and take care of yourself. Wash your hands.